Before I jump in scholarship, a few quick questions I saw in the chat. One, is there a recording? Yes. If you guys attend this session or tonight or tomorrow, I'll make a post. Go ahead and comment that. Our team's gonna send you the replay. Is number one. And then number two, someone asked, hey, can you do this with the Common App? And the answer is we will for our coaching students. Coach David is actually our expert when it comes to the Common App. We did the whole same thing because the Common App also released earlier this morning as well too. We have a list of changes for the Common App as well. Either this week or next week, Coach David is going to teach that inside our coaching program for our students, so they know what to do, like literally exactly line by line breakdown of what they should be doing as well too. Scholarships and programs. You'll see this is a fun section, right? This is not a serious section at all, right? You go through here, click expand all. It's going to ask you, hey, what things do you like? Things do you like? What you're interested in? And you kind of go through all these sections, and anything that are click, and click all these as well too, right? And these qualify you for potential scholarships. You click yes on these, they're going to send you information about scholarships that relate to whatever it is that these things are. So again, no right or wrong answers really. Again, this is up to you. Select as much as you guys want. The more you select, just prepare for more things to be sent your way. Go ahead and do all that and then click save. And then after that, it's going to ask you for support programs. If you're interested in EOP, if you're not sure what it is, go ahead and look it up. Each school's EOP program is a little different. But if you're interested, you're going to ask for 240 characters. Why you're doing that. And once you enter that, click save and continue. And then I'm going to skip for now. And then you got to review. And then you go on to the personal insight.